What's up, YouTube? Back in Orlando Bike Live. As you can see in the background, I'm at Auto Sports, Naples Auto Sports. I'm at a car show for the first time, and as you can see, this is what I'm doing. So y'all might just get a view. So it's gonna get uploaded today. So, and then also I have a special friend with me. I'm with that boy.
I'm also making a video too.
That boy Anthony as well. So as you can see, there's a Bugatti down there. Yep. I came early for this. And then y'all can hear probably in the background there's cars doing burnouts, launch controls, doing all that. Wow.
Dang, bro.
That's loud. But yeah, they just continue to walk, as you can see. We got the Bugatti down here. But as you see, yep, he's gonna send it. Yep. I don't know if you want to walk that way, but yeah, got the Bugatti. Pretty much everybody has attention to this car because it has carbon.
Also, we have this killer
So, I don't know if y'all can hear in the background. Yep, there's still more cars.
I just
Oh my lord.
we got a CA in the back.
We got cars down there as well.
Burnout.
Oh, that boy doing a burnout. We got a Corvette with Batmobile.
And it was like I was saying, right next to this killer Bugatti. Here's four.
Yeah, don't mind if I'm a little quiet because there's so many people around. And there's a bunch of cars to see, as you can see, from here all the way to down there. There's a bunch of people. So,
with this spec,
boom.
that is just a killer.
And today I'm not wearing my gloves because I'm at the car show, so I had to take them off for right now. But yeah, pretty much that's what we're gonna do. And there's still more in this one car as well. There's a Koenigsegg parked inside as well, so go show y'all. Got a nice Porsche. Audi R8. McLaren. Carbon fiber. As y'all can see. Aston Martin with carbon fiber. Or the McLaren Senna. Two of them. About to come in. We got the old Aston Martin. We got the Lotus. Got a Maserati, Ferrari, and the big boy is coming inside. Big boy.
These cars, these two cars are just
Got the Koenigsegg, Vigera, carbon rims as well, as you can see. So, yeah.
And yeah, his YouTube, I'll leave it down in the link in the description below. His YouTube is called Orlando Bike Life. You guys should follow him. I'm also going to be in his videos too. So,
Yep.
these just
Let's just
insane.
do around. We got pass by through here. Got a Bugatti as well. Bugatti Sport. As you can see, the other one was green. This one is white and with a brown looking color. Look at the wing. And then we got a Ford GT. And then, as you can see, we got a Ferrari as well. All this side is filled with Ferraris. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. Let me show y'all some more. Got another Ferrari as well. Got another Ferrari. Let me just show y'all the inside. Yep. We got a convertible one. I'm not a big fan of those, so that's how a Ferrari looks like on the inside. Just continue the walk. We have another one but on red as well. As you can see, no top. It's just a convertible. So, and then more outside. There's the it's a slingshot, but like differently built. You got a BMW M4. I could probably I'm gonna go outside and show y'all. And then the one thing is that they have a hidden Corvette in here, so I'm gonna have to go check that out. So follow me, guys. We gotta go check it out. Oh my god, there's so many people here. Let's continue. Don't mind if I do. We're back outside. I'm about to show you the hidden Corvette down here. More Ferraris. After Ferrari, there's another Maserati Sports MC20, two of them. And then everybody was talking about this Corvette 01, I believe, 06 on there, if I'm correct. Have it hidden in the back. Got nice, everything built. But yeah, and then behind that we got the beautiful M4 Competition in black, as you can see, with the white leather bucket seats. Just wow. Mind you, this is a two-seater, not a four-door. But it's still a four-seater, but just with two doors. So, and then right next to it we got more Ferraris as well. So, and then there's one McLaren, as you can see in the background. I'm about to show y'all. Go around it. Look at that. Look at the inside. No roof. Nothing. Number 4. But yeah, I'm just pretty much gonna be talking about the cars and all that, and then I'm gonna still try to update y'all with the videos that I try to get the POV from the camera GoPro that had on my helmet. I'm still trying to do that. Probably Sunday or Monday it might be coming out, maybe fixable. But from that, I see y'all guys. Just remember, be safe, ride safe, and then I'll try my best to ride safe as well, and you know, show some love to the channel. Try to get to like 50 subscribers. I'm on the way doing that right now. As we speak, we have 39 subscribers, and you know, and then I'll also put down on the description my boy Anthony's YouTube channel and all that. So stay tuned, and you know, be safe. Like I said it again, be safe, ride safe, and you know, Orlando Bike Life out.